just to give you like some context on the difference between, for example, event freshness to the automated freshness, some tables could be updated on time, and it's especially it could be the case for events tables. This is why we call this test event freshness anomalies. But although you update the table at the right cadence at the right time, the underlying data itself could be still in a delay because, for example, if you have an events table, you could pull the events from the production systems and update the tables like every hour, every day regularly, but the underlying event time could be delayed because you have some queue in the production system and the events are accumulating and the depth there is growing. And then you get events, but you get them with a delay. So the volume could still be fine, the updates could still be fine, but the underlying event time could be with a delay. So if you will provide a timestamp column, we will see, usually we get events with event time up to yesterday, and all of a sudden now it's up to the day before yesterday. So we will detect normally using that. But let's use another example. If you want to work with, like you have a fixed rigid SLAs that you want to enforce on your sources, and you don't want to use anomaly detection, and you still want to detect that your event table contains data up to yesterday, you can leverage the rest of the DBT test that exists in the ecosystem. For example, I can use the DBT utils recency test. You can see that we have a small IDE with a pre-built template that we provide out of the box. So you don't need to like think what are the required parameters. We also say if the parameter is optional, so we can remove them. If, for example, you will remove a parameter that is mandatory, we will give you an error.